Sir, we've reached the rendezvous coordinates. No contacts. Looks like the Mobius ship hasn't arrived yet.
That's strange. It ain't like them to be late.
Sir, Dominion ship's warping in. Mengsk's flagship is leading them.
Sweet mother of mercy.
Sir, their shields are still down. I don't like this.
Matt, pull us alongside and prep docking tubes.
Commander, this is not a smart move.
You wanted your revolution, kid. Now you got it.
Turn around, Arcturus. I want you to see this coming.
You won't find my father here, Commander. I am Valerian Mengsk, and I own the Mobius Foundation. Through them, I own you as well.
Tell me why I shouldn't kill you right now.
Because I can offer you what you've always wanted. A chance to rescue Sarah Kerrigan. The artifact fragments you've been collecting are of Zelnaga origin. With them, I can construct a device that will reverse the infestation that transformed Kerrigan into the Queen of Blades. You're the only man who's been close to her and lived to tell the tale. You know her tactics, you know her strategies. And I know you'd risk anything for the chance to bring her back.
Sir, tell me you're not seriously considering this deal with Valerian.
Sounds like a golden deal to me, Jimmy. Kerrigan turns human, takes a bullet between the eyes. You can put your past to rest and still make one hell of a payday.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves, Tygus.
Assaulting Char is a suicide mission. You'd be putting all our lives on the line just to get your girlfriend back.
This is bigger than all of us, Matt.
It ain't about me. This is the only real chance we're ever gonna get, and I'm taking it.
So which is it gonna be, Jimmy? We bringing Kerrigan back, or putting her in the ground?
That's for me to decide.
You both got a lot of prep work to do. Get to it.
This is Kate Lockwell for UNN. Tonight, top Dominion military analysts are still confused and relieved to report that while attacks do continue throughout the Fringe, the main Zerg push into Dominion space seems to have slowed.
That's wonderful news, Kate. Our boys have really taken the fight to the Zerg.
Of course, Donnie. But there's also a sense that whatever the Zerg were after, they either got it or they've given up on it. We may never know.
You heard it here first.
Lots of folks ready to fight. For the right price.
So, what's the problem, Swan?
What's the problem?
You only signed us up with our mortal enemies. Every one of these boys lost family or friends to Mengsk. We're gonna be sitting on a powder keg pretty soon. Can't you see that?
It ain't up for discussion, Swan. I gotta do this.
Sir, we're receiving a transmission from the Bucephalus. Prince Valerian's holding on the communicator for you.
Ah, Commander Raynor. I thought we might discuss the expedition to Char. Now...
This is a dangerous game you're playing, kid. What's your stake in all this?
Jim, I really think we should... I can see why my father wants to kill you.
I asked you a question.
Everyone wonders if I will be as good an emperor as my father. But I want something more. To prove that I will be a better emperor and a better man.
That shouldn't be hard.
If I reform the worst mass murderer in history, make her human again, teamed with the famous outlaw Jim Raynor, that's all the proof I'll need.
So I'm just a cog in your machine.
If it gets you what you want, do you care?
Guess I don't.
Sir, I have to question your objectivity on this alliance. It's obviously a trap.
I got it covered, Matt. I'm asking you to trust me.
We were starting to make real progress against Mengsk. If we go after the Queen of Blades, we're throwing that away.
This is bigger than Mengsk. Matt, if we succeed on Char, we'll save billions of lives. Billions. Mengsk can wait.
I didn't sign up for this.
You signed up to follow my orders. If you can't do that anymore, then get the hell off my ship!
Sir.
You sure about this? You gotta know Mengsk is gunning for you. He'll hit you in a way you'll never see coming.
I can handle Mengsk, Tychus.
Just watch your back, old buddy. That's all I'm asking.
I said I can handle it. If you don't want to be a part of this, you can take your 30% and go.
Commander, our mutual friends at the Mobius Foundation have located the last artifact fragment. When this final piece is secured, we can proceed to Char and confront Kerrigan. Good luck, Mr. Raynor. I fear you'll need it. My Mobius associates have finally tracked down the last piece of the artifact. It's on a derelict Xel'Naga ship, located within the Sigma Quadrant.
Pretty far off the beaten path, Junior.
The artifact is... here. The ship has several ripfield generators which disintegrate everything at a molecular level in a matter of moments. Fortunately, our new Minotaur-class battlecruisers should be able to survive the fields long enough to destroy the generators.
Anything else we should know?
Well, long-range scans have identified a sizable Tal'Darim force holding in the area.
We are in way over our heads on this one, Jimmy. Walking into rip fields. I didn't sign up for no suicide mission. We should just take the money and run.
Getting cold feet, Tychus?
I lost 9 years in prison on account of you. Ain't tossing what's left of my life away just so you can rescue your little princess. Remember, you own me, partner.
Not enough to quit on something like this. You're relieved. You can sit this one out, partner.
Fine, then. You know where I'll be.
Adjutant, prep the ship for jump. Let's get this over with.
Caution. Anomalous gravity distortion detected.
There's the first rip field Valerian talked about.
The battle cruisers should be able to survive long enough to destroy the generator, but only if they concentrate their fire.
Got it.
I'm on it.
Engage. Whatever that means.
What do you think, sir? Quick smash and grab?
We're gonna need more than a couple of battle cruisers to blast our way through.
Take your time, Commander. I'd rather do this right and get the artifact.
What's going on?
We'll be lucky to find any normal resources here. But centuries of asteroid impacts have scattered mineral fragments and crystallized Vespene all over the wreck.
All right, we'll scout around and see what we can pick up.
Course laid in. Yes, sir.
SCV ready.
Take it slow.
Add-on complete.
Okay.
Big job, huh? Huh? Yeah. Yes, sir. Move it. Uh-huh. Well, butter my biscuit. Yep.
You hailed? I'm on it.
All right, boys. Hit him with the Yamato cannon. Couple of shots from that'll
En
flatten
route.
anything.
Will do. Engage.
Ready for dust off.
Course laid in. Patching you through. Got a whole lot of love. Who called in the fleet?
In the rear with the gear. Woo-hoo! SCV ready. SCV ready.
This better be good.
Yes, Commander. Roger. What is it?
Bad news? I can't build here. Yep. What's going on?
Oh, really? Squadron en route. Yes, Commander.
Mineral field depleted.
Acknowledged. Engage.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Antaro Tassadar, friend Reno. The Tal'Darim have imprisoned all who oppose them. Release us, and we will gladly fight at your side against them.
Yes, Commander. Whatever that means.
Mineral field depleted.
Ready for pickup?
Who wants some?
Ready for dust off.
Affirmative. Orders received.
Our thanks, James Raynor. The Tal'Darim will pay for their treachery.
What is it?
Roger. You want a piece of me, boy?
I will comply. Clever.
Yes, Commander. Engage.
What's going on? Sure thing.
Who wants some?
Confirmed. Dropping off.
What the darkness I bet.
Additional.
We will join the hunt for the Tal'Darim. Cartoon.
There's something in the way. We hear you.
I am intrigued. I am the blade of Shakuras.
Mineral field depleted.
I am but a phantom.
Ah! You scared me! Yes, sir! Roger! Yeah.
Nasperu Unadar. I will comply.
Upgrade complete. Base is under attack.
Patching you through.
Mineral field depleted.
What is it?
Bad news? Yep. I'm going.
Yes,
We are running low on minerals at this location. Additional mineral supplies have been located nearby.
Ready for pickup?
By the...
Insufficient Vespene gas.
This better be good.
Oh, it's on. Yes, Commander.
Mineral field depleted.
Move it!
Fear is an illusion. Clever. I'm intrigued.
Mineral field depleted.
By the
Mineral field depleted.
service.
You hailed.
Been waiting on you.
close to the artifact.
Make peace with your gods, defilers. You will now answer for your crimes.
That Protoss mothership is formidable, sir. Scans indicate it's capable of cloaking nearby friends and phasing enemies out of existence for a short time.
What would you ask of us? I am the blade of Shakuras. I will comply. Khartoum by the void.
Upgrade complete. Not enough energy.
Picking up or dropping off?
Yes, Commander. Okay.
SCV ready.
Waiting on you.
Go ahead. SCV ready. Will do.
Upgrade complete.
What's up?
Talk to me.
SCV ready. SCV ready. SCV ready.
Well, take it slow. Yes, Commander. Whatever that means. Roger. Yes, sir.
My blades thirst for vengeance.
Complete.
Nasmeru Unadar. What would you ask of us? You seek flowers. I bear your I defend. Clever. I will comply. I am intrigued by the void.
Add-on complete.
Oh, really? Yes, Commander.
Add-on complete.
En route. Okay.
The darkness rises. Khartoum. I am intrigued. I will comply. I am the blade of Shakuras.
Add-on complete.
Patching you through. Squadron en route.
Base is under attack.
This better be good. Why not? Oh, really?
Upgrade complete.
Roger.
Additional supply depots required.
Acknowledged. Will do.
Additional supply depots required.
Yep. Move it! Yes, sir!
Not enough minerals. Not enough energy.
Bad news?
Let's have a blast.
Huh? Yeah, whatever. In the rear with the gear.
It's about to get heavy.
This better be good.
Go on. It's go time. Who called in the fleet?
Engine screaming. Call the ball. Loud and clear.
Oh, it's on.
No problem.
Yes, Commander.
Ah! You scared me!
What is it?
Go ahead.
Kaboom, baby!
Yeah.
You hailed?
What's going on? Big job, huh?
It's about to get heavy. Who called in the fleet? Well, let's have a blast.
Yo.
Patching you through. And, well...
Go, go, go!
Yes, Commander. Abandon ship.
Gangway, coming through. Who wants some?
Roger.
The doctor is in.
Acknowledged. Got a hole.
In the rear with the gear. Oh, that's just great.
What is it?
The doctor is in.
Okay. Coarsely.
Truly you bring freedom to all, friend Raynor. I am intrigued. Cartoon. I am the blade.
Upgrade complete.
Oh, really? Squadron en route. Take it slow. Engage.
We could use some help here.
Will do. Acknowledged. Course laid in.
Mineral field depleted.
All right, we're clear. Grab that thing and set a course to rendezvous with Valerian.